Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential guide on how to allow only your followers to see your Instagram stories. This is a great way to ensure your content stays within your trusted circle and enhances your privacy on the platform. Let's get started with the updated steps that are easy to follow so you can protect your stories today. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. It's usually right there on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This takes you to your personal account, where all the fun begins. Step 3. Now, tap on the 3 horizontal lines, which are the menu icon in the top right corner. This is where you'll find various options for your account settings. Step 4. Once the menu opens up, scroll down to the section that says Who can see your content? Here, you will need to tap on Account Privacy. Step 5. Finally, enable the private account option. By doing this, only people who follow you will be able to see your stories, ensuring your content stays exclusive to your followers. And there you have it. You've successfully set your Instagram account to private, allowing only your followers to view your stories. Enjoy sharing your moments with those who matter most.